Hi everyone, my name is Allison Rodman. Welcome to Learning Lifts. This month, our Twitter chat, PPL1 chat, focused on the topic of my favorite things. And I had an opportunity to collaborate with a lot of you on what are some of your favorite things in education and in professional learning specifically that are helping to really move your work forward. So I wanted to take an opportunity this week to highlight 3 of my favorite things in the time management and professional learning space that are helping me to keep myself together and also make sure that I'm working as diligently as possible to personalize the professional learning process for educators across the system. So the first tool is related to time management, and it's a task list manager called Todoist. Todoist has helped me not just in my professional life, but also in my personal life to establish projects, to set priorities, and to also filter some of my tasks to different times of the day. So it gives me an opportunity to think through what my morning ritual is going to be, where I'm going to spend my time in the first half of the day, what my priorities are going to be in the later portion of the day, and then finally how I'm going to wind down and unplug in order to make sure that I'm as refreshed and renewed as I can be for the next day and the next week. The second tool that I want to highlight for you is actually a voice recording app that you can use on your phone called Otter. Oftentimes in professional learning spaces, I work with principals and facilitators who want to be able to share a particular learning session with individuals who weren't able to be there for the session. Otter gives them an opportunity to share the voice recording so that it's not just about pushing out the materials, whether it be the slide deck or the planning tools, but gives learners some of the context behind those tools and where they came from, even if you can't get a video in the room to share the entire session with them. The third thing that I want to share with you all is the Goodreads challenge. If you haven't taken the time to set up a challenge for yourself for 2020, make it happen today. It gives you an opportunity to share what you're reading with other individuals on Goodreads as well as on other social media platforms, to get recommendations on some of the things that other individuals in your community are reading, and also to share reviews with one another. The best part is that it helps to keep me on track with my own reading goals for the year, to make sure that I'm staying focused on developing myself as a learner at the same time that I'm pushing others to learn as well. So those are 3 of my favorite things right now in 2020. I hope that you take an opportunity to share some of your favorite things in the comments below, and I'll see you next week.